Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hummus at home without olive oil. First, let's talk about chickpeas. Using dried chickpeas, rather than canned, truly elevates the flavor and texture. Remember to soak them overnight and then cook them until they are incredibly soft. This tenderness is key for a creamy hummus. Don't forget to save some of that cooking liquid. It's a secret ingredient for perfect consistency. Next, we'll build our creamy base. A high-quality tahini is essential here, as it provides that signature nutty depth. Combine your tahini with fresh lemon juice and a little water in your food processor. This step helps to emulsify the tahini, making it incredibly smooth. Then, add your minced garlic and a pinch of salt to create a vibrant and aromatic foundation for your hummus. Now it's time to bring everything together for that perfect, velvety texture. Add your tender, cooked chickpeas to the food processor with the tahini mixture. Blend everything thoroughly, pausing to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure all ingredients are incorporated. Slowly drizzle in the reserved chickpea cooking liquid until your hummus reaches your desired level of creaminess. It should be wonderfully smooth. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and presentation. Taste your hummus and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For a beautiful finish, you can garnish your hummus with a sprinkle of paprika, some fresh parsley, or even a light drizzle of extra tahini. Serve this delightful homemade hummus with warm pita bread, crisp vegetables, or your favorite crackers. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.